Hello guys, this is a really bad condition. You need to see this. Mana? After microwave those yum stuff, tidbits, I think, and the strawberry sauce, and turns out pretty burnt out, and I really hate it. See, my God.
Adik tak boleh masuk ni.
It is a really bad condition.
Dia aku tolong.
Almost explode. It is almost explode. Totally burnt
Ibu
out.
jangan buat.
Really. Oh my God. Unless it's inside of it, there is something that is really bad, which I don't know actually. So, yeah, which I didn't know for a while, guys. Wait up. Oh, sorry. Which I didn't know at least. So, yeah. And it's the smell of this house is really really bad. I need to open the door. And exterior in the house is really, oh my God.
Open the door.
It is like really burned out. And this is sounds very. The whole house smells like really like burned out. Still. So I hope really guys like this video and don't forget to subscribe. And I really hate this. I hope you guys don't get into like this condition for a while, guys. Bye.